In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade out a song with Suno AI in just 5 minutes. Whether you're producing music or creating personalized audio tracks, learning how to smoothly end a song is a valuable skill. With Suno AI, you have a couple of straightforward methods to achieve a professional-sounding fade out. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to log into Suno AI's user-friendly platform. After signing in, you'll see how easy it is to work with this powerful AI music tool. One of the simplest ways to fade out a song using Suno is by employing prompt tags. These tags essentially guide the AI, helping it understand exactly what you're aiming to achieve. Next, click on the Create button. This takes you to the section where you can provide inputs for your song. Look specifically at the Lyrics section. Here's where the tag magic happens. You can instruct the AI to create an outro or deliver a seamless fade by adding specific tags to your lyrics. Consider your lyrics as cues for the AI to tailor the song's ending. To initiate this process, incorporate certain style prompts into the final section of your lyrics. By doing so, you're providing the AI with the information needed to construct a natural fade out. It's like laying down a roadmap that the AI follows keenly. A commonly used technique is adding the tag and outro at the end of your lyrics. This signals to the AI that we're nearing the song's conclusion. Pairing outro with tags like fade out or fade out enhances this effect further. These particular tags are incredibly effective when used in tandem. For the smoothest finish, the combination outro, fade out, and end often does the trick. Think of it as telling the AI we're wrapping up now, but in musical terms. Alternatively, the song editor offers another method for achieving a fade out. To explore this approach, navigate to your chosen song and click the Edit button to open the song editor. This feature gives you a different layer of control over the audio. However, it's worth noting that to access this feature, upgrading to a Pro plan is necessary. This option provides enhanced capabilities and might be worth considering if you're serious about music production. And there you have it. 2 efficient ways to fade out a song using Suno AI, each with its own advantages. Whether you opt for prompt tags directly within the lyrics or make use of the song editor, these methods will elevate your music projects with smooth, polished endings. Happy creating, and enjoy the newfound skill of perfecting your song endings with Suno AI.